as I was sitting here, I saw these words, right? Google. And I thought, man, 5:30 every morning, I pull up my computer, and what words do I see? These sorts of Google, right? And it just shows you every person in Iowa. It's you touch. You touch every person. I think about not only in Iowa, but the rest of the nation, globally. Google is a universal company, universally known. I sit on Ways and Means, and I was telling somebody earlier that I deal a lot with international tax. I sort of become an expert in that area. And I found how Google is virtually all over the world and in virtually nearly every country that is significant. And that just tells me how important this is. When I hear in Iowa an investment of $6.5 billion over the last year, $1 billion moving forward. And I know that's not the end. I know that's not the end. There's going to be a lot more. Right? But it also comes with the partnership. The partnership not only with the state, but with Council Bluffs, with the legislature, with the county. Right? It all goes together, working together to make a difference, to make this happen. And then what does it do for all of us? Obviously, it gives us this great economic impact, but it also helps philanthropic areas that you give back. And that probably touches more people than anybody. That extra dollars that goes into our communities. So I just want to say thank you, and personally, in my life, Google has been very important. And I'll give you an example. When I was doing my doctorate, I always used Google Scholar. And people think, well, what is Google Scholar? Google Scholar takes all the best scholarly work and accumulates it, and you can Google it. You can find scholarly work in your specific area of expertise. And that's what I did for 4 years during my dissertation. And I think about what it has done to me, but now what it will do for AI, artificial intelligence, as we move forward. What it will do for healthcare, what it will do for manufacturing, and what it does for education. We're just touching the surface. And the biggest plant, the biggest location where you're at is in Iowa. So thanks again, and I hope we can continue to be here year after year, having these great $1 billion introductions. Thank you.